Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Justworks PEO. Review my usage experience. Justworks PEO, or Professional Employer Organization, offers comprehensive HR solutions for small and medium-sized businesses. Their services typically include payroll processing, benefits administration, compliance assistance, and HR support. Their website provides details on specific features and packages. Justworks positions itself as a streamlined and efficient way to manage HR tasks, freeing up business owners to focus on their core operations. They emphasize ease of use and transparency in pricing, though specific costs vary depending on the chosen plan and number of employees. Their website details various pricing tiers. Availability is nationwide, and you can check their website for eligibility. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Justworks PEO. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was well documented, and their support team was readily available via email to answer a few initial questions I had about setting up my employee profiles. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I especially appreciated the dashboard's clear visualization of payroll information and upcoming deadlines. I found the payroll processing seamless and accurate, significantly reducing the administrative burden compared to managing it myself. The reporting features were also very helpful in tracking various HR metrics. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited customization options for employee benefits, but this wasn't a major issue for my small team. I had a quick question about a tax form, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated compliance updates. It's a huge relief knowing I'm always adhering to current regulations. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Justworks PEO. It's a valuable tool that simplifies complex HR tasks, saving me both time and stress. That's my overview of Justworks PEO. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.